you want to learn how to loop video in Capcut, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open Capcut on your phone and make sure that the application is up to date. Once you've opened Capcut, look for the option to create new content by pressing the New Project button. Then here, just select the video that you want to loop. Once you're directed to this page, what you have to do is press the video that you just uploaded, and then at the bottom panel, look for the option to copy the video. So just scroll the panel to the right and you'll see the option to copy. Once you've copied the video, it will place the new video right beside the original video that you uploaded. What you have to do now is press the new video that you copied and then scroll the panel to the right until you see the option to reverse the video. The reverse button is just beside the copy button that you pressed earlier. Now just wait for a few seconds for the reverse to be completed. And now once you play the video, the new one will be reversed, which will make it look like a loop. You can try readjusting the videos to make the perfect loop, and just like that, you made a fun Capcut video. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.